Doesn't have to be perfect, just so it's nice and clean for Mother's Day for me. Okay, everybody, it's Mother's Day, and I deserve better than this mess that I've made, so I'm going to get this cleaned up, and you guys can join me, or you can just watch as I get this all tidied up.
Finally, the human admits that she's the problem.
I don't know why I am such a messy person, but, well, the reality is I am. And there's, look, one unicorn cupcake left that Misty likes to complain about because I am so messy. Poor old Misty over there. Oh.
That cupcake is so old, it's basically a fossil with frosting.
Alright, I gotta get this stuff picked up, folded up, whatever you want to call it, put outside.
The Human versus Cardboard, edited for dramatic pacing.
I had to buy myself a new thermos that keeps water cold for the school, so I can keep my electrolytes up. This better be a cold cup. A cold thermos.
Incredible. A stainless steel chamber for fancy cold water. Where's mine?
2 straws. And a straw cleaner. Yay. What's that? What is that making all that noise? What's making all that noise?
Seriously, Human?
I'm just doing a quick clean, Misty. Just so the table's not cluttered, the floor's not cluttered or stuff. Just quick. Right? Quick, mother. Oh, you're so pretty.
Human, don't use that terrifying voice ever again.
This has to go outside. Watch out.
While my Human is busy shining up my castle, I'll just be over here judging the squirrels.
Let's go downstairs. Water.
Yes, here I am again. The squirrels got boring, okay? Don't judge me. Human, I don't speak French, but I know the word burger when I see it. Hey, what you doing with that bag? I thought there's a burger in there for me.
Garbage, that's recycling.
Just a gentle walk through the castle, where the word burger has caused great excitement. I walk away now, but I remember everything, especially the burger incident. Please, Human, no more singing. My ears.
I made a song for my patio reset video yesterday, but there wasn't a good place to put it in that video. So I'm going to share it here with you now. Let me know what you think of it. I'd love to hear about it in the comments.
I hear cutlery. That usually means hope.
Morning opens gently on the edges of her
What
day.
is she doing in there?
Soft light on the patio where the old shadows used to stay. She stands a little longer where the silence feels alive, and something in her heartbeat says she chose to
I inspected the situation. No treats, no drama, just soap.
in summer air, like they've always known she'd find her way back there. And she's home in her space again.
And this song makes the kitchen feel extra cozy.
Calm and comfort settle in, with a breath that feels steady and a softness in her stride.
I would like to formally request snacks instead of bubbles.
Squirrels come back through the garden like they never went away. pausing just as if to say they're happy she can stay. They linger on the fence line like they've come to say hello, and vanish through the
Is she almost done in
where
there?
the wild soft breezes go. Every corner feels familiar in a different kind of way, like the past has finally learned to stay away, and she's home in her space again.
The sink bottle is nearly done.
Light and shade can both be friends. With her heart wide open and her spirit running free, and a quiet little sparkle.
I heard mush cans and reported immediately.
And the cushion covers resting where her hands once carefully stitched. Small pieces of a life she made, now gently re-enriched. She smooths them with her fingers.
I must say the castle floor is looking pretty good.
And rediscover simple joy in the comfort that they feel. She's at peace in her space again, where the world feels soft around the edges when it bends, with the birds still singing.
Loud floor monster, you will not get me.
And a quiet little sparkle in her eye. The garden remembers her.
Okay, friends, that's it. Just a main floor clean. Nothing strenuous, nothing extensive. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just so it's nice and clean for Mother's Day for me. I don't want to spend the whole day cleaning. But we all deserve a nice clean space, especially on Mother's Day. Even if we're just picking it up ourselves, now I can sit down, relax, edit some videos together, and just watch YouTube. Look, Misty. The floor nice and clean? What do you think? Nice and clean?